What's that dinosaur right there?
Do you know what kind of dinosaur that is? I don't
Look
either.
out for all the dinosaurs. Here we are in dinosaur land, disguised as a cake. Oh no! Ah! Oh, you gotta get out of the way. Oh. There's a triceratops. There was a triceratops. Where did he go?
He was supposed to be here fighting with this.
Oh no! They're fighting.
Ah,
it's a battle to the death. Oh, triceratops won.
Oh man!
Sweet. Walking along. Oh, we gotta cross this river. Ready?
Jump.
Oh,
this guy, he's trying to get a drink. See, watch.
Oh, he's got a drink. Okay.
That guy's eating back there. He's hiding behind the tree.
Hello.
Peekaboo.
There's another one. Hey, dude, what's up?
He's on an old.
Hey. You're boring. What's this?
Oh, these guys are fighting.
Oh, they're fighting? Oh, look at that. Who's gonna win? Oh, I don't know. Oh, that guy.
Oh, man.
What's over here? Trees. What's behind the trees? It's an ankylosaurus. They're not green. What's the deal with that? I forget what you're called. You're a dinosaur.
Stegosaurus.
No, that's not a stegosaurus. Stegosaurus is right here. Oh, look at that yellow tree. It looks like cauliflower. Wow. Whoa, that's a big slimy mountain. Wow.
What are these birds
Look
called?
out, Riley.
Riley, what are these called back here? I forget what those are
Those are
called.
pteranodons.
Pteranodons.
Wow, pteranodons. And there's a big volcano. That's a suicidal pteranodon up there. Oh, should I jump in? I don't know. Alright. Well, there's... Look out, Riley. Look out. Here's the whole cake. Riley's Dinosaur World cake. That my mom made. It's pretty sweet. Mom? That's like an awesome cake. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Riley. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah, Riley. Oh my gosh. Uh-oh, they won't go out. Blow hard. Oh, did you turn? Oh no, did he
Blow him out.
Hurry.
Get him, Riley.